This video is for educational purposes only. It doesn't promote any unethical or bad practices. So hey guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video we will check out hunter.io. So basically this is a professional tool used for scraping Gmails or basically professional domains. Okay, so it can grab details of domains, Gmails, and can also check you about different businesses information. Okay, so basically various companies are there, their information, their domain name. It uses the publicly available information and gives you the Gmail. Okay, so I will give you the demo how to use it. Okay, and here I am just using it. Here you can see it's for a business need, or you want to collaborate with them, or you want to mail them. Okay, so you can use this. As you have to log in first. Okay, you have to just create your account, and here you can see the find leads and email addresses. The option is there. Okay, and here you can see the workflow where you can just check this basic option where you can just check out headquarters, location, industry. Basically you can fill out. Okay, and you can also write here, and it takes some credits. Okay, for free you will get 50 credits first, and if you will go on using it, then your credits will cut down as per the you discover new things. Okay, so here you can see types of industries for which you can save, and here you can also list some keywords basically for job openings, for checking different things. That is also useful, but it can be used for OSINT purposes. Okay, as a cybersecurity expert, everyone use it for OSINT purposes. Like here you can see the hunter email ID I have listed. I have just check out. Okay, is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of hunter.io email. Okay, so I've just checked, searched basically hunter's company's Gmail. So the first one listed is this one, so I can't show the email, but here you can see the detail for which I have got it is listed here. Okay, so all people you will see it will be listed here, for which this is a type of email. Okay, email sending page. Basically you will send how many you have sent, replies you got back. Okay, sequence, if you sent correctly or not, sent today. Okay, scheduled to be sent next day. So these are the things you can see here. Okay, so you can see how to use the sequence form. You can also add the new leads. Okay, like adding new lead, you can check out the peoples you have sent earlier. Okay, like here you can check Matthew is the CEO, so you can mail him accordingly for business need or associations or any financial need or any type of job collaboration. Okay, any type of need, you can just see that. Okay, so that is the basic use of this tool. Here you can, if you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn that bell icon to all. Okay, so you can get the latest updates about my video. Okay, so it's a OSINT tool. Basically in Kali Linux also it's there. So here it is becoming much more better day by day. So here how to search it. Okay, first the email by company and email by name. Okay, so you can search email by company. Here you can type just a company name, Canva, and it will list you all available emails. It's here like 1200 something. Okay, so it will list all emails. Okay, but you have to check on the listed one. If you will review, okay, if you will see, then your tokens will be deducted. Okay, so here you can see it's not visible, it's only the domain is visible, but the mail, basically the body, is not visible. So you can reveal that, and by revealing you will need credit of 1 credit. Okay, you will get 50 credits for free. Again another company I am showing you. Again I am showing you hunter only. Okay, see for hunter, I have that email. Okay, so I can see it's the email is there. Okay, Matthew Trap, and it's the email is saved because I have seen, and my 1 token is deducted. So as usually you can write here any company like example.com for your choice, and you can get the email addresses. Okay, so by domain also you can check the domains, or if your need is to verify an email, if it's a genuine email or not, a company domain or not, you can just verify it from here. Okay, so it's a OSINT tool only, but it's becoming much more useful in today's era to connect with people. Okay, professionally. Okay, so for professional connections it's also great. Okay, so anyone there checking out how to reach anyone, so you can go and check the email and you can reach out here. there are three options, select three categories here in Signal. Okay, so in Signal there is one funding and acquisitions option. It is new, it is of no use as such, but you can use it for your business need. Job openings, you can check out different job openings and you can mail them directly here. Companies also listed as per your need, you can just check out. Okay, you can check here. As then you can also see different options like Signal has is like Signal's new three option I have shown you. The bulk option is also there for sending bulk amount of mails. If you have a CSV file or Excel file, you can just upload it here. You can, if you have enough credit, then you can send multiple mails. So it's a CRM tool, type of sort of CRM tool only. Okay, so that's all. So you can also integrate API here. So if you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe. Meet you in another video. Till then, bye.